Hi everyone, we're the Kaleidoscope crew. I'm Felicia.
I'm Anna.
I'm Jenny.
I'm Mitchell.
And we decided to create an immersive light installation for our project. So come on in and see what it's all about.
When you insert your head into this mysterious black box, you'll be presented with what we call the infinity mirror illusion. This infinity mirror was created with mirrors, acrylic panels, and LED strips. Using force sensors, every finger can change the color of the light as well as the tone of the audio in the installation. Alright, so how did we create the infinity mirror box? We started by laser cutting foam core in order to construct the 4 boxes. We also soldered together the LED strips, which we put into each of the 4 boxes. We also soldered together connector pins to ensure that the wire connecting to the 4 sensors were long enough for people to use to control the lighting and sound inside the box.
Now I'm gonna explain how the wiring works. As you can see, we have 5 fingers, and each finger is FSR. And if I do this, you can see the FSR is attached to this. And let me just put down the tape. And all of this goes all the way to here. So on the one hand, the FSR positive side is connected to the positive, and the negative one side is through a resistor connected to the ground. On the other side, it is connected to the analog. As you can see, it's from A0 to A4, as we have 5, and 5 of them are similar and they are in parallel. And then on the other side, we have the LED strip. The LED strip is connected through this to the digital log, and the digital log is to digital 5. As you see, this green wire is connected to digital pin 5. As you can see here. And then through this digital pin 5 and the capacitor and resistor, just to make sure there's not too much voltage going on. And then we have this positive negative connected all the way to here, as we have a lot of LED strip, and all of this white wire is just the digital pin. And then on the other side, we also have this speaker. And the speaker is connected to this digital pin 11, and that's how the music is got played. On the one side, it's connected to digital pins 3, and then on the other side, it's connected to the ground. And then we also have another Arduino that is playing another background sound that is here. And as you can see, it is on the one side, it's connected to ground. On the other side, it's connected to digital pin 11. Yeah, so this is a snapshot of the wiring. There's a lot of going on here. So this is our code. And as you can see here, all the setup of all the FSR and also the brightness, and the buzzer is connected to pin 11. And this is the setup function. We have 2 different identify function, one for microphone, my tone, and also the setup of 5 different colors. And for the loop, it has all the analogs. As you can see, for the for loop, it is go through from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it has all the FSR rating if it's up to 500. As you can see, it will change the brightness, set up the color, and also show the different tones.
And there you go. That's how we constructed this interactive, whimsical infinity mirror box.